It can be hard to find a job as an artist in today's world. This is why I will talk about 3 digital product ideas for artists that can make you hundreds of dollars every month in passive income. Well, not as passive at the beginning, but as you build out your portfolio of these digital products, you will earn more and more each month. And eventually, you will only have to promote your items at a certain point, but if you enjoy the process of creating these digital products, you can scale your business to even thousands of dollars every month. If we haven't met so far, my name is Emese from Everything Digital, and here on this channel we talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. If you are also interested in some behind the scenes of my digital product business, follow me on Instagram. My handle is emese_everythingdigital, and don't forget to sign up for my upcoming project. It will be announced at the end of this week, beginning of next week. The link is down below in the description. Without any further ado, let's take a look at these 3 digital product ideas that can make you hundreds of dollars every month as an artist. I selected these 3 product ideas because I have made them before, some better than the others, but I know how to create them. There is a potential to scale them to a very big operation. Today we are going to look at a website that is geared towards designers and more of a B2B approach, digital product creators to other digital product creators, because some people are better at drawing on a paper and then digitizing their artwork, and some other people are better at working and creating digital products on a computer. And these people will always need each other's help to create their designs. That is why I chose a creative market to demonstrate today's product ideas. So let's hop over to my computer screen and let's talk about these 3 digital product ideas that can make you hundreds of dollars every month. Let's go! So here we are at the main page of Creative Market. This is how it looks when you open up the website. I already have an account with them. Today I'm going to show you products here on this website that were made by artists for other product creators and other designers. So let's start with the first product idea, and that would be Clipart. And by Clipart I mean both those that were drawn by hand and then digitized, and those 2 that were created on a tablet with a smart pencil. Both of these are called Clipart, and I'm going to show you a few great examples that I like. Disclaimer, these suit my style that I will show you, but there are other styles as well. So let's go to the graphics tab and go to illustrations, and here you can find lots of inspiration ideas as well. So let's check. This is very nice in my opinion. This is a floral pack. Yeah, these would be very good for wedding invitations or something similar. This is another style, cocktails. And let's choose a third one so that I can show you some different styles. And these are all called Clipart. These are very nice Clipart sets, and here you can see that on this mockup they're displaying their product and showing how it would look in real life on a wedding suite with invitation, RSVP card, menu cards, all of them. So they look really nice, and they created these awesome display images that they can use very well on Pinterest. These are very good images in my opinion, and the Clipart is amazing in my opinion too. So yes, let's take a look at the other one with the cocktails. This is a different style but also very nice. I really like this one too. And here you can see that they are displaying all of the included Clipart elements. In an upcoming video I will show you how I create Clipart from start to finish. And these are all the extras that come with it, and also, of course, a few mockups as well. And let's take a look at the third option. This is a black and gold galaxy theme. Yes, they are very nice. Of course, the Galaxy team, they have the planets and some stars and a few extra elements as well. This is a very nice template and it is $30 US. I think this took them to create about half a day, maybe 6 hours, maybe more depending on their expertise level, but this didn't take as long to create. On the other hand, this floral one took in at least a week in my opinion. Now let's take a look at the second category, and that would be vector objects and vector illustrations. I tried to create these, but I don't have the courage to show the results that I got. It was a good experiment, and if you are very good with Adobe Illustrator, this will be a no-brainer for you. And let's find a few ones here on Creative Market, and let's find some vector illustrations. You just type in the search bar the term that you're looking for and it will give you lots of options. Let's find a few that I like. Here is this line art one. This can be created very easily in Illustrator. And what I would focus on are B2B illustrations in Illustrator, because businesses need these materials for their website, for their presentations, all of their business needs. And I purchased lots of vector illustrations in the past and I know that I use them and there is a demand for them. So let's check this illustration. I would use this for a business. Yes, this is more of a female-oriented bundle with the line art, but these are vector illustrations that you can modify in Illustrator. They already created them for us, and yes, they are presenting it with lots of nice mockups. And let's take a look at this businessy one. As you can see, these are more of a business-oriented elements. As you can see here, office elements, podiums, computers, and a few fun elements as well. And they put together a few arrangements as well so that you can see how this product would look on their end. And the third category of digital products that you can create as a designer are fonts. There are lots of options of how to create fonts, cheaper ones, more expensive ones, simple methods, complicated methods, with software. You need some kind of software at the end, but fonts are a really good digital product to sell online as a designer, and Creative Market has a separate section just for fonts. So let's find a few options. I will select a few display fonts and also a few script fonts. The difficulty level between these two is big, because it's much easier to create a display font that is a serif font than a handwritten calligraphy style font. So let's check a few display fonts and a few handwritten calligraphy fonts. So as you can see, there are lots of options. This is a combination of display and calligraphy fonts. It looks very nice in my opinion, and it can be used not only on wedding materials but also on lots of options. I would use it in a menu also. It looks very good in my opinion. And let's check the other one, this handwritten font, calligraphy style font, I mean. And it looks really nice. They have the glyphs, those lines at the beginning, at the end are called glyphs, and they look really nice in my opinion. Yes. Although you need a software to create these, they are not as hard as they seem. There are some online options. I don't know of any free options that you can do without paying or a one-time fee or a subscription fee. But there are some very advanced softwares that make your life easier when you are creating fonts. That was for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please tell me in the comments which one of these three is your favorite. Have you tried any of them? Are you planning to try any of them? If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video where I talk about digital products and making money online. Also follow me on Instagram and sign up for my project. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye!